For number 11, in order to divide complex numbers, you actually have to multiply. And you have to multiply top and bottom. What do you have to multiply top and bottom by? You have to multiply by the conjugate of the bottom, which is just changing the sign in between the terms. All right, and so I have to FOIL the top and FOIL the bottom. So 3 times 8, 3 times the negative 2i, negative 5i times 8, plus 10i squared. All right, and then on the bottom, 8 times 8, 8 times the negative 2i, 2i times 8, and negative 4i squared. All right, and as a side note, they tell you that I is equal to the square root of negative 1, and from that, I squared would be negative 1, because the squaring just gets rid of the square root. And the negative's on the inside, so you can't square away the negative in this case. Okay, so now I'm just going to clean up the top. So I'm going to get 24 minus 46i. I squared is negative 1, so this is really a positive 10 times a negative 1, so minus 10. And then 64. Here, this 16i and negative 16i cancel. Again, I squared is negative 1, so negative 4 times negative 1 is a positive 4, or adding 4. So now 24 minus 10, combining like terms, gets me 14 minus 46i over 68. Break up the fraction, 14 over 68, because this is the format that all my answers are in, so I'm going to have to break this up. 46i over 68, and now looks like I need to simplify. These are all even, so I'm just going to divide everything by 2. So I'm going to get 7 over 34 minus 23i over 34. And so that looks like I am going to pick option C.